cases of black fungus have been increasing amongst COVID patients. The symptoms include swelling in the eyes or cheeks, black crust on the nose, and in extreme cases leads to loss of eyesight and removal of the nose and the jawbone altogether. Now, these cases increasing at a great rate across the country. At Delhi's Sri Gangaram Hospital, 21 patients of the disease are currently admitted, out of which 10 are in the COVID ward, 11 in the post-recovery ward as well. And when speaking to doctors, they say never in their life have they seen so many cases of black fungus at one go.
Kalyani's desperate appeal for her husband Anji Babu, following which the government got him a hospital bed. As he recovered from COVID, he developed an eye infection and soon lost that eye. Now the other one is infected. The diagnosis is black fungus disease or mucormycosis. The doctors are waiting for the medication to work.
After remdesivir, tocilizumab and oxygen, the new rush is for amphotericin, an antifungal drug that is used to counter black fungus, and its stocks are running low in Delhi.
Even at Delhi's biggest pharmacy hub next to AIIMS and Safdarjung hospitals, the drug is nowhere to be found.
मेडिसिन के लिए बोला, मैं सुबह 11 बजे से ढूंढ रहा हूँ, पूरा यूसुफसराय देख लिया, ग्रीन पार्क में भी है, वहाँ भी देख लिया, कहीं नहीं मिल रहा है, 2.5 घंटे हो गए ढूंढते पर ये मिल नहीं रही मेडिसिन कहीं भी, शॉर्ट चल रही है बहुत ज़्यादा।
इट्स अ लाइफ सेवर, लेकिन मुझे ये कहीं पर भी नहीं मिल रही है। मैं बहुत सी शॉप्स में ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ, बट नहीं मिल रहा है कहीं भी।
कितनी शॉप्स में ट्राई किया अभी तक?
ऑलमोस्ट मेरे ख्याल से यहाँ ये 20th शॉप होगी जिसमें मैंने ट्राई किया है।
कम से कम मैडम 50-60 100 के करीब ही हो जाते हैं सारा रात तक, तो 100 पेशेंट कम से कम डेली आते हैं।
डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर की तरफ से कोई अश्योरेंस मिला है आपको कि कब तक?
वो भी नहीं बता पा रहे हैं कब तक आएगा, उनको भी जैसे पूरा वो नहीं है कब तक आएगा ये।
आपका स्टॉक कितने दिन से खत्म है?
हमारा तो 10-15 दिन हो गए।
Across India, cases of black fungus are on the rise. This is, of course, the fungal infection triggered by COVID.
We are now first and foremost identifying high-risk patients for mucormycosis. And these patients are who are already having uncontrolled diabetes or diabetic ketoacidosis. And these are the patients who have to be strictly monitored for a rational use of steroids. Steroids definitely are one major factor in the increased incidence of mucormycosis.
State governments have been reacting to black fungus or mucormycosis. In Telangana, amphotericin cannot be sold without the approval of a government committee. In Haryana, black fungus has been declared a notified disease and each case has to be reported to the government.
Yesterday, the Union Health Ministry said that it has identified 5 suppliers of the drug and is making efforts towards optimal allocation. In the last 2 weeks, states have been supplied with 1 lakh vials of this drug, and the government is also exploring the option of importing the drug. With Oma Sudhir in Hyderabad, in New Delhi with camera person Sushil Rathi, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.